Dear guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a survey with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website, and after that just head over to the home page and go here to the search option and type in survey. So after you type in survey, you will see multiple templates here. I'll just go and select this free one here. So just customize it. So after you click on customize, you will see your survey template open up and you will be able to edit your questions like you desire here. So that's it. It's a pretty easy process. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.